Are you trying to delete run history in your Windows computer? Then make sure to follow these steps we have for you in this video. Now, if you're currently using newer version of Windows, or Windows 10 at least, you have to search for Regedit, click Yes when prompted, then go to this following location, then highlight everything in the folder except for the default, right-click on it, then select Delete. Now you just have to confirm the action by clicking Yes, and doing so will clear your run history. However, if you have Windows 7 and 8, what you can try to do is to right-click on the taskbar, click Properties, choose Start Menu, then uncheck Store Recently Opened Programs box. Once done, you have to click Apply, and then recheck the Store Recently Opened Programs box. Now those are the ways on how you can delete run history in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.